I got a Vortex chain and sprocket. Gonna install it on my 07 R6. Let's go. The parts I'm going to install are the Vortex Steel 525 sprocket and chain kit. The kit includes a gold chain with master link. Comes with included grease. Fresh gold chain, freshly lubed. Gotta have that. The package a little broken there. 45 tooth rear sprocket. 16 tooth front sprocket. I'm also going to install a slightly used chain slider. You'll see why very soon. Oh, and we got stickers. So I already went ahead and stripped the fairings down. Now I'm gonna take this sprocket cover off, and we're gonna go and get the gear shifter off. Foot on the rear brake. Now for the master link. Now some people tend to lube only the pins. But here it says, chain grease, please spread grease on pin and seal rings. So that's what I'm gonna do. I guess it's okay to be messy on this. So we got it all nice and lubed. Slide it right here in the back. Better? Yeah, that's a little better. Alright. So yeah, hopefully I can get better gas mileage since I went back to stock. I'm sure I will. But yeah, that's the finished product there. But this sprocket and chain business, there's definitely there's a physics to it. Definitely needs to be explained, because I think people, they do a 520 conversion when they really don't need to. It's not economical. So yeah, chain and sprocket from Vortex 525. install. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.